That was really cool.
No, Beavis, that also sucked.
What do you know, asswipe?
I know everything but Munch.
Ooh, baby. Come to Butthead.
You do not want to face the wrath of my bunghole!
Hello? Hello? Butthead? Butthead? Yeah, Beavis? Ah! Don't scare me like that!
Check that out.
Whoa. That was pretty cool, Beavis.
The almighty Bungholio! 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 I am Cornholio! My bunghole will speak now!
Cool.
I am Cornholio! My bunghole will speak now! Bungholio! Bungholio! I am Cornholio! Oh, I need pee for my bunghole! Damn it, son of a bitch! Damn it, son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! Damn it!
That's pretty cool.
What are you, a dumbass?
Are you threatening me? I need cappuccino for my bunghole!
What seems to be the problem there, Beavis?
My thingy itches. It's like the wrong color or something. Check it out.
No thanks, Beavis.
Ow!
Kick him in the nads, Beavis.
Peekaboo!
That chick has small boobs.
Cool.
Yeah, vacations kick ass. They kick ass.
Yeah.
Kick ass. Yeah.
We're there, dude.